Eco-friendly laundry room, sustainable materials and energy-efficient appliances 2025. Discover the future of sustainable home design. Welcome to our latest video showcasing eco-friendly laundry room design ideas for 2025. In this episode, we explore how to design a stylish, functional, and eco-conscious laundry space that promotes energy efficiency, water conservation, and a healthier indoor environment, without sacrificing beauty or practicality. If you're building or renovating your home, this guide will help you create a modern green laundry room using sustainable materials, energy-saving appliances, and smart design strategies. What is an eco-friendly laundry room? An eco-friendly laundry room combines smart technology and mindful material choices to minimize environmental impact while offering efficiency, durability, and comfort. By integrating low-impact materials, recycled finishes, and high-performance appliances, you can reduce water and energy consumption and save money in the long run. What you'll find in this video: Energy Star certified washers and dryers, low-flow faucets and smart water sensors, recycled tile flooring and wall finishes, countertops made from reclaimed or eco-friendly materials, LED task and ambient lighting, natural light solutions, skylights, solar tubes and wide windows, eco-friendly paints and finishes, low/zero VOC, built-in drying racks and air drying solutions, compact design for small spaces and urban living, integrated recycling and laundry sorting systems, sustainable cabinets and shelving from FSC-certified wood, plant accents and indoor greenery for clean air. Why go green in the laundry room? Reduce energy and water bills. Lower your carbon footprint. Create a healthier home environment. Use long-lasting materials that reduce waste. Enjoy smarter, more efficient laundry days. Who will love this video? Environmentally conscious homeowners. Interior designers seeking sustainable design inspiration. DIY home renovators and builders. People creating a net zero or energy-efficient home. Tiny home and small space enthusiasts. Smart home users looking to upgrade responsibly. Don't forget to like the video if you're inspired by eco-conscious home design. Comment with your favorite eco-friendly feature. Subscribe to our channel for more interior design, home renovation, and sustainability ideas. Share with someone planning a remodel or home build in 2025.